Kinesthetic learners improve retention through interactive surfaces coated with whiteboard paint. Who are kinesthetic learners? They're tactile learners who prefer activity, experimentation, hit-and-miss approaches, and non-traditional environments to acquire information. Kinesthetic learners gain knowledge most easily by doing and feeling. They favor being in motion, acting out events, handling physical objects, and working on surfaces. Kinesthetic learning in the classroom. Whiteboard paint are ideal teaching tools because they require students to walk from side to side while writing or drawing, thus appealing to kinesthetic learners' need for movement. They also enhance memory of lesson material because writing reinforces what students absorb during the verbal part of a lecture. Why are interactive surfaces helpful for learners? Movement stimulates the brain so as to greatly enhance learning. It also offers students the chance to take mental breaks at times when they feel stressed out over their academic performance. In addition, structured movement increases class unity while enhancing learners' physical well-being. Interactive surfaces and game activities. Allowing students to manipulate images and words on a whiteboard wall through game playing makes learning enjoyable and enhances recall. Whiteboard wall games offer a dynamic, engaging way to review concepts, practice skills, and encourage teamwork. Advantages of hands-on learning experiences. Kinesthetic learners connect more deeply with lesson material by dynamically engaging their physical senses and movements through activities like whiteboard wall games. This leads to improved comprehension and retention. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.